Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Purecarrot Gold Shower Gel. Purecarrot Gold Shower Gel is a lightening shower gel that hydrates dry skin, leaving it soft and silky with a healthy, radiant glow. It is a clarifying agent that softens, smoothens, and unifies your skin. It aids in the treatment of pigmentation issues, age spots, dark eyes, discoloration, amongst others. Purecarrot Gold Shower Gel is a perfect option for the lightening solution you desire. Purecarrot Shower Gel gives the skin perfect lightness, softness, unique and gently melting texture. This shower gel is enriched with a clarifying agent that also helps to unify your complexion. This body wash prevents excess melanin production in the skin, resulting in a brighter appearance. This body wash will no doubt leave your skin looking youthful and younger than ever. How to use Purecarrot Gold Shower Gel. For optimal results, use it in conjunction with the Purecarrot Gold set. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.